Hi Poonam, and a big thank you from E-Times for joining us. Where have you
My
been?
pleasure. Guess where everybody has been in the
Yeah,
house.
but my main grouse is right away, straight away. I mean, lockdown or no lockdown, why have we been seeing so less of you? Come on,
Well, they say
the state of films. I have it written here, and the list is so long that I think I really don't need to read it. But still, it's Noori Trishul to रहने दो, वो तो था ही. Romance, Red Rose, तेरी मेहरबानियाँ, ये वादरा, Soni Mahwal, Trishul. Everything was a rocket. And
well,
why
actually,
why not now?
I've been I've been working from a very young age. I was barely 16 years old when I started working, and I think you can work and work like 15 hours a day till a certain time, and then you do get exhausted. But having said that, I actually started enjoying my craft and understanding it way much later than when I started. That time I had no knowledge of films. I had not really seen films. I didn't know anything about movies. So I started actually enjoying and knowing my craft much later. And obviously that made me a better actor, because in the beginning I didn't know the ABC of acting. So I was just very raw, very young. मतलब 15-16 साल की, जिसने ना ज़्यादा पिक्चरें देखी थी. So करते कराते it became something I started enjoying. But having last few years, I said I didn't want to work that way, that you were compulsorily having to work. And the kind of roles you get for people who are past their, I would say, teens, and they're young and 20s and 30s, are very limited in our Indian movies, unlike the Western films, where they have amazing roles for women in their 40s, 50s, 70s, 100s. They are doing roles till, literally that age. Whereas our Hindi films haven't till now. They've just about started getting it. So I think the last film which I did was late last year, called Jai Mamidi, which was kind of, when they told me the subject, it sounded like such fun, about two warring mothers, and it was a very meaty role. And in the meantime, I keep doing things like theater, and I do once in a while television, which is good meaty roles. So in theater, I've always had fabulous roles in whatever I've done. In television, I've had good roles. So that satisfies the artist in you. It makes you feel challenged and gratified both. So I guess it's not quantity, it is quality, which matters after a certain age and stage.
But before I forget, since you took the name Jai Mamidi, there's a host of other questions to follow. But were you happy with the outcome? Because when I saw the film, Poonam, to be very frank with you, and I know you since a long time, I thought that आपका role बहुत ही कम था, which you are calling it meaty, all right. But I felt somewhere कि और हो
अरे वेल,
सकता
हिंदी
था.
फिल्म में तो रोमांस होता था, उसके बगैर तो प्रॉब्लम स्टोरी की होती नहीं थी. बट वेदर द लेंथ ऑफ द रोल इज व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, or you're talking about the overall, the role was shaped. I was a bit disappointed in the way the film culminated, because when you leave the theater, you leave with a certain satisfaction and say maza aaya, and the ending of the film was so
Abrupt.
abrupt, let down, whatever you may call it. And from day one, when I, heard the subject, I kept saying, ending mein hoga kya? I want to know. The climax has to be fabulous. Only then it will justify these two mothers warring. And unfortunately, they were not able to do that. And people said we enjoyed the first half. We laughed. It thoda louder than life character, which is not my character, but it was a loud, crude character. But it was fun doing it because it was a character. And whenever you get a character, you enjoy, because you think ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, ये बात ऐसे करेगी, खड़ी ऐसी होगी, कपड़े ऐसे पहनेगी. So you get something to do when you get a character to do.
तो
And in that film,
इसमें क्लाइमैक्स लिखा नहीं गया था क्या?
वो आप डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर से पूछिए. एज एन एक्टर आई वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली टोल्ड, अरे आप फिक्र मत करिए. एवरी टाइम व्हेन आई हर्ड द सब्जेक्ट आल्सो, दे टेल यू टिल, फिर वो क्लाइमैक्स में ऐसे, पर होता क्या है, आई वांट टू नो व्हाट हैपेंस इन द क्लाइमैक्स. अरे यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी, वी आर प्लानिंग, वर्किंग ऑन कपल ऑफ थिंग्स. So end में I was really actually not happy and disappointed with the climax. But other than that, I think, I enjoyed shooting the film, because Love Ranjan's company is a really fun company. They're very I would say professional in that thing, and Love himself and Ankur, both the producers, they are really nice guys. So it was a pleasure working with a big production company and a good production company. But I guess in the end, the film is what shows on the screen, and that's what matters.
I'll tell you what my review was actually. My thing was that the movie was projected as two warring ladies, and that part came just in the last 20 minutes or maybe 22, 23 minutes. And that was too late in the day. We had gone to the theater imagining that it will be A versus
they
B.
could have definitely used that to a much more fun way. It was meant to be a comedy. It was meant to be a bit slapstick in the sense that the women are unreasonably fighting, being one-upmanship, rivalry, एक औरतों की जो बातें कई बार होती हैं exaggerated, वो डाल सकते थे. But anyway, that is besides the point here. We are not reviewing the movie, but my point is that I enjoy doing film, but I don't want to be burdened कि हरे राम एक बस इतना काम है कि अपने फैमिली के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के लिए किसी चीज के लिए वक्त नहीं निकल रहा है. I have done that. I have worked like 30 days a month, every day for hours and hours, do shift, teen shift, sab kiya hua hai. So now I think it's time that I enjoy my work. I, don't have to do it because I'm in the rat race. I do it because I feel happy, right? Happiness is the main thing जो हम अब ढूंढ रहे हैं लाइफ में, mental happiness and emotional happiness. तो उसके चक्कर में हमें वो rat race में नहीं पड़ना है, and that's what I feel.
I'm going to come very quickly to two important aspects of your life. You being associated with, organizations which, help in making people aware of several things which are necessary. And then you joining politics also at some point of time. But before that, there's one very important aspect of you. You've done it successfully and so well. Now, which is bringing up these two children with only you at the center. How tough has it been, that whole parenting process?
Well, I think like all parents, the mother definitely has much more input than the father. Most families, I happen to be a single mother in technical terms, but yes, their father's emotional support was always there. They still talk to him every day. They always did. I would always send them to meet their father because that is a role nobody else can really take up, and a child needs a father and a mother. And I think that's what I always believed in, and I'm so glad I wasn't one of those warring parents who, prejudiced one child against the parent and once. I think that is the worst thing any parent can do to their child. But now that they're grown up, they don't have any those things. They talk to their dad and, like they will tell me, oh, mom, he wants to eat that. Let's make that and send him or whatever. We are a family who cares for each other. So that is very important. The kids love and care for their father. And I also definitely want to keep that as something which is important in their life. And bringing up children, I think all mothers whom I speak to say, "Arey, hum sab single mothers hi hain, married ho to kya hua?" Ultimately, the child rearing responsibility, uske school ka homework, uska uniform karna, usko bhejna, uski classes karana, tuition, everything actually, unfortunately, falls on the mother. Because in India, we still haven't reached the full stage. A lot of the youth is now being hands-on father. I've seen a lot of the younger parents who want to be fully part of their child's upbringing and want to do all the roles of a good father. But, and I think it is something they will actually enjoy and relish and cherish because बहुत मजा आता है child rearing के, especially when they're small children. और जब teenagers हो जाते हैं तो obviously चाहे आप father हो या mother हो, you have to deal with a lot. And I think I have had the happiest moments bringing up my children. So that's not something I think of as a मैंने बड़ा काम कर लिया या मुश्किल काम कर लिया. नहीं, it was great fun, and they have turned out to be good kids. And everybody who meets me tells me wonderful children, and I feel very proud. Then अच्छे बच्चे हो तो what will a parent want, right?
Absolutely. You term this whole phase as something natural, but there's one sub part of the question which I want to add here. Who gave you that inner strength, when you are a single parent? What gives you that inner strength? How did you derive it?
You know, it's an attitude I feel in life. If you keep feeling main bechari, hi me, poor me, and I'm the really downtrodden one, and I'm the one who's wrong, I think that takes away your strength. When you realize and look at your positives in life, what God has given you, if I didn't have a home, if I didn't have the financial security, if I didn't have all of those things, maybe I couldn't have done it so comfortably or with so much, I would say, freedom, so that I didn't have to depend on anybody to, you know, pay my bills or you know, be kind to me in any way, because with God's grace I had that much security that I could handle my life. But having said that, that is one aspect, and a very important aspect. I guess a lot of mothers get very bogged down because they are financially not independent. And I think in whichever way one can be, one should try and get yourself to be stronger financially plus emotionally. And I think we should not ever feel extremely victimized and sorry and pathetic, because usse aapki bahut energy chali jati hai. Be positive, be happy, and when you're happy around your house, you can see you as a happy person, and everything is falls into place. It's all about attitude. That's what I feel.
Absolutely, absolutely, I agree. Coming to the social causes which I told you about, how did you get associated with so many? I mean, something going along with the AIDS awareness, going along with organ donation, going along with family planning. What was that point in your life, and who was your bouncing board basically that you drove into all this?
Well, I would say that when you're a known public personality, like whether you're a cricketer or a film star or any known personality or a singer or any person who has become a public persona, and you have the power to influence people, I think सिर्फ ads बेचना influence नहीं होता है. To send a good social message भी एक बहुत important influence होता है. So in our times तो हम ऐसे commercial चीजें बहुत कम करते थे. So जब मुझे कोई person बोलता था ये एक cause है और अगर आप उससे जुड़ जाएंगे हमें उससे फायदा होगा, तो whatever I could do, and most of the causes for which I did you know, believe in, like drug awareness is something many years ago I started working with, and we talked about a drug program for school children to bring about drug awareness to young school children, because they that was the foundation years of their life, and they should know कि इसके क्या नुकसान है और कितना easy है to get into drugs. So we went, I remember that time the education minister was Mr. Vilasrao Deshmukh, and we had gone to him and said, sir, we are trying to make a small curriculum. Of course, this was with the professionals who had been working with drugs for years. So I realized that unless you go to the authority, you cannot even do social work. And so your next question, which you asked me about politics, that was my way of realizing कि अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा करना है, तो आपको वो उतनी authority चाहिए है कि आप कुछ अच्छा कर सकें. To just want to do good sitting at your home, you cannot accomplish much. So that social service, I really did believe a lot in family planning at that time, because my brother-in-law's family has been totally connected with that work. And I realized India ka aadha problem ye bhi ho raha hai that we are too many of us to either maintain clean cities or to give the best of education to our huge population, and nobody was talking about it. So that was another thing which I thought we should bring to people's notice. It's very important for our country to be, you know, contained in that way. We can look after our citizens. And the third thing which I've felt very passionate about, and I still do, is organ donation. And I have seen over the years that people have now started becoming aware. I did my pledge to organ donation many, many years ago. But since then, I've been talking about it on all private and platforms where I get a chance. कि देखो, once we are dead, हमारे organs किसी को नहीं चाहिए होंगे. हमारे को हमें कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा उससे. So it's a cosmetic thing कि हमारे को आंखें भी चाहिए, हमारे को स्किन भी चाहिए, लिवर भी चाहिए, किडनी भी चाहिए. पर जब हम मर जाएंगे, हमें वो चीजें मतलब किस काम की आने वाली हैं.
Hmm.
So the more you talk about it and the more you learn about it, तो मुझे मतलब स्किन डोनेशन इतनी जरूरत है बर्न विक्टिम्स के लिए कि टू डोनेट स्किन, because for them to be able to graft their own skin, kitni ek badan se people who are badly burned, there's so many cases of that. And there blind people, there are so many blind people in our country, and so if you do these organ donations, because you have to pledge it while you're alive, otherwise no doctor can जबरदस्ती take organs from you. Correct. So अगर हम चीजें pledge करें, जब तक हम उसके बारे में सोचेंगे नहीं, आपको कोई बार बोलेगा तो you'll say, so many of my friends whom I talk to, they say, yeah, I want to do it, tell me how to do it. They don't know how to do it. So I wish कि हमारे ये जो know how to do it के जो हैं पब्लिक डोमेन में लाया जाए, डोमेन में, और उनको एडवर्टाइज किया जाए, तो वो हमारे जो बड़े स्टार्स हैं वो करेंगे तो लोग सुनेंगे. टुडे देयर रोल मॉडल्स, इफ दे टेल देम कि देखो मैंने अपनी आंखें और अपनी बॉडी और अपने डोनेट किए, आप भी करिए, तो वो लोग सुनेंगे, वो सोचेंगे उसके बारे में. So these were my thoughts, and that's why I got into a lot of these causes which are important.
You got into BJP in 2004. How closely and how actively you're associated today in 2020?
See, when I got into politics, intention was that I should be able to do some good to society. और मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, ये इस emotion के साथ मैंने political step लिया. हाँ, तो I said कि I remember once when I wanted to join, I had gone to meet Nitin Gadkari ji, and he had asked me questions like, अच्छा तुम financially how secure are you? Because जो भी लोग politics में पैसे कमाने के लिए आते हैं, वो गलत तरीका है. You should have and in BJP we encourage everybody to be financially having a profession, to be able to be strong financially. So this whole thing should not be used to earn money. So ये एक बहुत जरूरी चीज है मुझे लगता है politics में. And उस time पे प्रमोद महाजन जी was also alive, and he asked me, okay, आप join कर रही हैं तो आप in return what do you want? I said, what do you mean, what do I want? इससे मतलब तुम्हें राज्यसभा चाहिए, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, what is it? I said, नहीं प्रमोद जी, I don't want anything. And a lot of people tell me I was foolish to say, if you don't want anything, then you don't get anything. But I thought that was my true feeling. I'm not joining politics for being able to personally benefit. मतलब मुझे भगवान ने बहुत कुछ दिया है. I've got name, fame, everything, and earned well, everything. So अगर अभी कितनी life होती है इंसान की, if in that much time you can do good and make a difference, which आप अपने घर से बेशक पैसे निकाल के नहीं दे सकते हैं, because at least you can do something good for the people with the best of intentions. So that was my thought. And in today's time, when this hum sab log corona se, how much there is need in society for helping each other. It's not just one Poonam Dhillon or one film star. Each of us, we have to help each other in whichever way we can. So that is what something I really think everybody is realizing today. Everybody.
So how active are you today in BJP in 2020?
2020 तो unfortunately ऐसा साल आया है कि हम सब inactive हो गए हैं. See, I was never the elbow pushing type of a politician कि मेरी जगह कहाँ है, मैं तो front row में और मैं इस तरह से मुझे चाहिए. No, I'm not that kind of a person. But yes, in my own way, I've been only trying right now to work with लोगों को किस तरीके से हेल्प कर सकते हैं इन द कोविड पोजीशंस. किसी को मेडिकल हेल्प दे सकते हैं, किसी को हॉस्पिटल में अगर मदद कर सकते हैं. इफ somebody needs medicine, if how you can help them, that's the only way. And that I'm doing also as a human being, not as a politician. So I haven't really been very active recently, but then it's not a time to be active politically because I haven't had much opportunity and I've been at home. So जितना हो सकता है कर रहे हैं.
Film Certification Appellate Tribunal you joined. You were elected as a member there. And what is your view on censorship? I mean, there were a lot of producers, directors coming, crying, saying, our films have been chopped, butchered. And you must be privy to those discussions. what exactly was happening, and what is your view on censorship, especially not in today's times only, but even on the OTT platform? What's your view to censorship? Because OTT platform पर तो सब कुछ आ रहा है. It's not possible to keep that away from children.
I'm surprised, Vicky. I'm surprised that लोग बोल रहे हैं films have been chopped and they have been butchered, because actually I was in FCAT for 3 years. There's not a single film. Not a single film जो हमने बोला है ये वाला scene निकालो, ये काटो, ये करो. No. Whenever there have been really genuinely objectionable scenes which have come after the censor board to us, we have told, I was the only film person representing the industry, तो हमारे chairman मुझे अक्सर कहते थे कि तुम भी बहुत फिल्म वालों की side लेती हो. मैंने कहा, but sir, I'm the only person who understands what a producer or a director goes through to make a film. And if their intention was कि हमारी film ban हो जाए और किसी जगह पे रह जाए, मतलब 100 फिल्मों में से हो सकता है एक या आधा इंसान ऐसा हो जो किसी एजेंडा से फिल्म बना रहा है, एजेंडा के साथ कि मैं I'm getting back to so and so or I'm promoting so and so. Most people are making films which they believe in from their heart, whether it's for entertainment or it's a message or it is something they believe in.
The story they want to tell.
जब हम हमेशा मैंने, and I had always told my chairman, I said, sir, editing हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. Let's leave it to the director कि हमें ये scenes objectionable हैं. हम ये बोले इस feed से इस feed ये निकाल दो, इसका इधर से इतना feed निकाल दो. We'll butcher the film. Let us give him the option to edit it and come back to us. We give them guidelines. ये वाले scenes either too violent हैं या it is whatever is wrong with it, and that too we would go with the censor guidelines mostly. कि ये नहीं सेंसर क्यों ऑब्जेक्ट कर रहा है, इतनी फिल्मों में आया नहीं, पास कर दो. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक आवर बोर्ड वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आई वुड से accommodating and understanding board which we had, and we tried our best to help people, because even the information ministry had given us this. I'd spoken to the minister and asked him, sir, what should our attitude be? Is there any do's and don'ts you all want? And he had very clearly told me, Punnabi, we don't believe in censorship. We believe in a certain freedom of speech, and I think certain guidelines which are given by the Cinematography Act, we have to follow those, because those are our constitutional guidelines. We have to follow those. उसके अलावा कि हमें एक चीज भी नहीं उन्होंने हमें कही कि आपको ये करना चाहिए, या जहां हमारी गवर्नमेंट का या
वही तो हो रहा था ना,
वो नहीं होना. Never ever.
Yeah, वही तो हो रहा था ना. You were that time during when Prahlad ji was the CBFC chief 2017, and उसी दौरान ये सारे शिकायतें आ रही थी, राइट, कि वो कट कर रहे हैं, ये कट कर रहे हैं, और फिर आपको कहा जा रहा था
personal I think outlook of the way the society should be. एक इंसान की पर्सनल आउटलुक भी होती है ना, and he was at the helm of it, and those were his personal, I think, social outlooks of how things should be shown, how this should not be allowed. But I don't think whenever those films came to us, we actually gave them a lot of relief. Most of the films, I don't think, in fact, Prahlad ji, I don't think was very happy कि हम उनकी काफी फिल्में जो उन्होंने बंद की थी या स्टॉप की थी, हमने उन्हें रिलीफ दिया. We gave relief to a lot of films.
So just one last question, Poonam, how are you on social media? Do you really get ruffled sometimes, or are you all game to all this?
Well, I think social media, I think, has today become a necessary evil. But I don't think we should succumb to it to that extent that we should pen every thought that we have and put it out there. I mean, surely we have people to talk to. Surely we have friends to discuss things with. Every thought that comes here should not come out of our mouth onto social media. I think we should abstain from not overdoing the social media and abusing it. It's nice to be used professionally. I think the best use of social media is to enhance your business, to enhance your, whatever you may be. Some people who can't afford lakhs of rupees of publicity, so many small industries and small people who have started their thing, they get an opportunity to let the world know about what they are doing. because only the big giants, the big corporates can afford television publicity and, spots in this. So I think that is a very good and positive use for it. It is a good use if you want to reach out to somebody whom you can't reach out to otherwise. But that doesn't mean it's to be abusing people and to be trolling people, to say nasty things to each other. I think that's the misuse of social media. And that's what I believe in. Social media was made for communication and reaching out to friends. You can't reach out, you can't call US, it costs so much, but you can make a call on a social platform or send your things and share your things. Let's use it positively. Why make it such a horrible, unpleasant place to be in?
Thank you, Poonam. Thank you. It has been a
My
pleasure
pleasure.
talking to you and connecting with you. A big thank you
Thank
from
you,
the
Vicky.
entire team of eTimes.